Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's project I'm going to show you how to make a DIY shower gel. So don't think, oh, she's not demonstrating it, what am I going to learn here? I'm going to show you step by step that what I'll show you here, be rest assured that you will even learn more than me showing you in my kitchen or anything. But this is the best way to learn cosmetic formulation. When you take the theory, you understand the concept behind it, then you put it to work. It's just like getting a template for everything you want to make. If you follow me with this, you'll be able to make any shower gel you want to make. Okay, so for this simple project, we will make a 200-gram shower gel. Simple. We're not using colorants, we're not using any other crazy ingredient, but simple. But the most important thing you're going to learn is the concept. My name is Victoria Ademoye. I teach cosmetic formulation. I teach beauty brand owner how to make beauty products to sell at stablecosmeticformulas.com. Okay, formulas.com. So that's where I teach beauty brand owner. It's a lot of work, but we are moving step by step. So if you are new to formulation, you are welcome to this course. It's going to be very simple. From now on, you'll be able to make any type of shower gel you want to make. But if you want to learn how to make beauty products to sell, the procedure is a bit more complex, but I broke down that complexity into simple courses at stablecosmeticformula.com. So if you want to learn how to make retail grade beauty product to sell that will be shelf stable for a long time, you need to visit stablecosmeticformula.com. So without further ado, let's go for our project for today. Every ingredient you are going to use, I highly recommend you visit Pure Blend Natural to get them. Over the years, I've taught cosmetic formulator from all over the world, and we have come to realize that most ingredient suppliers sell expired ingredients. So that's why we are always recommending that you get your ingredient from a trusted source, a source that we trust ourselves. For the past 5 years now, this is where we get all our ingredients from, and I highly recommend you get all your ingredients from Pure Blend Natural. You will love every bit about it. Another good thing about them is that they ship very fast. So if you have a fast project to do, you don't want to waste your time waiting for your beauty ingredient to come in the next 2 weeks. You want to get it within the week, make sure you order on time at pureblendnatural.com. Now let's go to our project. Today's project, we're going to use 7 ingredients. Okay, we're going to use water, glycerin. What are these for? Diluent. Water is the diluent that makes all ingredients mixed together. Humectant is our glycerin is an humectant. Humectants help to preserve water from evaporating, so it's going to increase the moisturizing property of your beauty product. What is sodium gluconate? Sodium gluconate, especially the USP version that is available at Pure Blend Natural, is a chelator that's going to prevent your beauty product from getting discolored. Okay, so you see how metal rusts. Okay, that's how beauty product rust without a chelator. So if you don't want your beauty product to rust or get bad over time, you want to include a chelator. Also, the good thing about a chelator is that it's going to strengthen your preservative system. So that's why we always recommend you use a chelator. And maybe this is your first time of hearing about it. This is a grain chelator. As a grain beauty chemist, I don't recommend using toxic chemicals. That's what set me apart from all other YouTubers you might have been watching. I specialize in using green ingredients. So sodium gluconate USP should be your chelator of choice. So that's exactly what I recommend. Our thickener is xanthan gum, but we are not using just regular xanthan gum. I highly recommend you go for clear xanthan gum USP that is available at pureblendnatural.com. Why do I recommend this xanthan gum? There are a lot of xanthan gum on the market, and the thickening power is not as strong as it should be. That's why over the years we've used clear xanthan gum, and it has really worked well. If you go to Pure Blend Natural and you see some of the reviews, you'll be amazed at how interesting this is. So it's a very good thickener. Now, why are we using xanthan gum to thicken this shower gel? Xanthan gum to thicken your shower gel when you use non-ionic surfactant like cocoa glucoside or decyl glucoside. So that's why we are using it. Fragrance of choice, you're going to use that. Preservative, you're going to use that. So beside it here are the amount you're going to use. So I've already done the calculation for you, and this is what we are for each ingredient. So let's go to the step-by-step formulation instruction. Before I go to that, I highly recommend this preservative. If you're a home-based formulator or a beauty brand owner looking to make sure your beauty product is more stable, make sure you go for Excel PE9010, available at pureblendnatural.com. This is a very strong, highly recommended, stable, non-toxic broad spectrum preservative. So it's going to protect your product from microbes, so you want to go for this Excel PE9010. Now let's jump to the production instructions step by step. So the first thing you want to do is to mix your glycerin. So one thing I want to recommend is that get all your ingredients based on this instruction. Get all your ingredients ready here first. Once you're done with that, now mix the glycerin with xanthan gum. Mix it well. This is going to prevent lumping of that is very common with xanthan gum, especially when you use clear xanthan gum USP by Pure Blend Natural. Lumping is reduced drastically. So add your glycerin with xanthan gum and mix well in a smaller bowl. In a bigger beaker, mix your sodium gluconate, your chelator. Mix it with your distilled water. Don't use regular tap water, you want to use distilled water. So mix that with your distilled water, mix it well, set it aside. So then you take your sodium gluconate and water and distilled water mixture, okay, you add it to your glycerin and xanthan gum mixture, mix it well and set it aside. The next we want to add is cocoa glucoside surfactant. This is what makes it foam, okay, and makes it clean your skin well. Then we're going to add the cocoa glucoside surfactant to the mixture in 3. Okay, you're going to add that, then mix it. You had your fragrance mix and you had your preservative mix well and bottle it. So now what's the next thing? You want to ask me, oh, how do I adjust the pH of my beauty product? I've already done that for you in my second channel. So you want to visit Green Beauty Chemist, okay, search for anything you want. We have tons of video on this channel that will help improve your formulation skills. So just how to adjust the pH, you can see me demonstrate how to adjust pH of your beauty product. So if you want to adjust the pH, how to check, the first thing you want to do is check it. I covered every detail of it in all of this video. I also gave you a recommended pH meter. Okay, that's about it for this video. In my next video, my subsequent next video, I'm going to be showing you how to make more beauty products. Okay, so bottle your gel and then we'll move on to the next project. Now our next project, we're going to be making other amazing beauty products. Okay, this is going to serve as a template for you. Keep in mind, it will serve as a template so that in the future, if you want to make another shower gel, for instance, you just want to change your fragrance, you know, you can change it to lavender. You can call it lavender shower gel, and so on and so forth. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to learn how to make beauty products to sell, don't stay here. Don't just stay in the free section. Okay, you want anything that's of value doesn't come for free. So if you want to learn how to make beauty products to sell, you want to visit stablecosmeticformulas.com. If you want to find for a reliable ingredient supplier to buy your beauty product from, we recommend you visit pureblendnatural.com. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Green Beauty Chemist. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification icon, and also visit the free cosmetic formula. Also make sure you subscribe. That's the channel you are watching right now. Thanks for watching and happy formulating. See you in my next video.